Hello smart students, welcome back to JLD Academy English Language class. In today's lesson, we'll be discussing on the topic note making. Have you ever attended a class where the teacher explained many important points and later you struggle to remember them? That is why note making is important. Good notes help students remember information easily and study effectively. This topic is very useful both in academics and everyday life. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain note making, state features of good notes, apply note making techniques, and prepare organized notes from passages. Meaning of note making. Note making refers to writing important points briefly and clearly for easy understanding and revision. Note making is different from copying everything. Good note making involves selecting only important information. Let me tell you a secret that a lecturer or teacher will hardly tell you, because somehow so many of you will soon find your way into the university. The professors that we have out there will hardly repeat the statements or sentence that they've uttered before. That is because they expect you to note make everything that they've actually spoken about. Keep this at the back of your mind that good notes will help you remember lessons easily, revise faster, and stay organized. What are the features of good notes? Good notes should be brief, clear, organized, and easy to understand. You should avoid unnecessary long sentences while making notes. Methods of note making. Please take note of this method because they will help you in future. 1. Bullet point. It is used for listing important ideas. 2. Numbering. It helps arrange information properly. So many of us get to use numbering method so often. 3. Headings and subheadings. It helps organize notes clearly. 4. Abbreviation. Short form save time. Instead of saying nothing, you get to write NT. Instead of writing examples, you get to use EG. So these are some of the examples of abbreviations that will help you at save time when you're note making. Let us go through these practical examples together. The topic that we have here is importance of water. If you want to note make, you get to write drinking, cooking, farming, transportation, cleaning. I know so well that so many people ask questions on their head. Why are they just listing? And that's because you have to make it short, organized, and meaningful. That is the essence of note making. By the time you get back home, you can decide to sit back and buttress your points one after the other. But you need to save time as at that moment when you are note making. WAEC evaluation preparation. These are some of the questions that might come your way during your WAEC exam. Define note making. Mention features of good notes. State method of note making. Explain importance of note making. In conclusion, today we learn meaning of note making, features of good notes, methods of note making, and practical example. For your assignment, you have to prepare a short note from a passage provided. And when you prepare that short note, it will aid you into understanding what it means to note make. If you're having any difficulties on how to go about it, kindly go back to the lesson provided. There's an example I gave to you on note making. Go through it and trust me, it will help you get better. Organization is an important key to success. Just as good notes help students stay prepared academically, proper planning and organization help people succeed in life. Develop the habit of staying organized, disciplined, and focused, because little preparation today can create big success tomorrow. Keep learning and keep improving yourself every day.